Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install 2 Point Museum game for free via the Steam launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to the store and in search the store, search for 2 Point Museum and then click on 2 Point Museum game. Now scroll down and here you can see play 2 Point Museum, play for free until 22nd June. So click on play game button. And here you can see 2 Point Museum 5.01 GB file size. So click on install. Now read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept. Then go to library and here you can see that 2 Point Museum game is getting downloaded on my PC. So you can also follow the same steps to download 2 Point Museum game for free via the Steam launcher. And you can download and play this game for free until 22nd June 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.